So welcome back everybody. Today we're going to do a little tool review on the professional grade Great Stuff gun dispenser. Now if you've ever used any amount of this Great Stuff foam, you know it's just invaluable for sealing up all kinds of gaps and cracks and really increasing the heat and thermal efficiency of your home. So we're in the middle of an old home restoration right now on an old log home, and we're going to be using a bunch of this stuff. So we went ahead and got the gun dispenser for the big size can. So let's check it out and see what some of the advantages are.
With this professional nozzle, you can really, there's an adjustment knob back here so you can really adjust your flow rate. And also with the bottles that come with the little plastic straw, once you let off that straw, it still oozes out for a while after. And with this nozzle, as soon as you hit the trigger and let off, it stops. So you have a lot more control. You can be a lot more consistent and you can reach a little bit further back in there than one of those plastic straws can too. And then also with this, the manufacturer claims that you can get more out of your can with this gun than you can just the straw. So
it's definitely worth springing for the separate dispenser.
Absolutely. The gun runs about $45–50, I believe. So you know, if you just got a little project around the house, just go with the plastic straw. But if you're going to be doing something like a whole house like this, or you're a contractor, professional, definitely go for this gun. It will save you a lot.
Cool. So that's it for today. Hopefully that's been helpful. If you want to buy one of these dispenser guns, you can check out the link in the description below. We'll see you next time.